In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete unread emails in Gmail. If your inbox has gotten out of control with messages you've never opened, this quick process will help you clean things up in just a few clicks. First, go ahead and open Gmail. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Gmail for this tutorial, since the layout and options are clearer and more complete than on mobile. Once you're signed in, you should see your inbox with all your emails listed. Next, we're going to use a simple search to show only your unread messages. At the top of the screen, find the search bar that runs along the top of Gmail. Click inside that search field so your cursor is active there. Now type the following, exactly as you hear it, is unread. There are no spaces, and it's all one word after the colon. This is a built-in Gmail search filter that tells Gmail to show only emails that are currently marked as unread in your account. After you've typed is unread into the search bar, press the enter key on your keyboard. Gmail will refresh and display a filtered view of your inbox. Instead of showing everything, it should now only show the emails that are unread. You'll usually see a message or label near the top confirming that this search filter is active. Take a moment to scan the list and make sure these are indeed the messages you want to remove. Now that you're looking at just your unread emails, it's time to select them. Look toward the top left of your email list, just above your first message. You'll see a small empty checkbox. This checkbox controls the selection for all the emails currently visible on the page. Click that checkbox once. All the unread emails on this page should now be highlighted as selected. Depending on how many unread emails you have, Gmail might show a message near the top, something like all X conversations on this page are selected, and possibly give you an option to select all conversations that match this search, not just those on the current page. If you have a lot of unread emails and want to delete all of them, click that link so that every unread email in your account is selected, even those not visible on the first page. With all the unread emails selected, you're ready to delete them. Look along the row of icons above your emails for the trash can icon, which represents delete. When you hover over it, it should say something like delete. Now go ahead and click that icon. Gmail will move all the selected unread emails into the trash. Keep in mind that deleted emails are not permanently removed right away. They stay in the trash folder for about 30 days before being automatically deleted. If you change your mind, you can open the trash label and restore messages from there. But if you're sure you no longer need these unread emails, you're all set. You've successfully found and deleted your unread messages in Gmail, making your inbox cleaner and easier to manage.